In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front parking light bulb on your 2013 to 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe. It's a very easy process, only takes about 5 minutes, so let's go ahead and get started. Open up the driver's side door. Now, when you open up the door, you see right where your left foot would go. That's where the primary hood release lever is, so pull it over there. Now in front of the vehicle, right on top of the Hyundai emblem there, that's where the secondary hood release lever is. So put a couple fingers in there, press it up, and then pull the hood up. Now when you open up the hood supports itself in its place using those two black hood struts over there. And so when you open it up, it stays in place. Now in order to access the passenger side parking light bulb, we need to get that coolant reservoir out of the way. So there are two 10mm screws which are holding it in place. So get a socket or a wrench, 10mm. Get those screws out, and then you can get the reservoir out of the way. Now once you do that, then you can access the bulb holder. Now that gray bulb holder, that's the one for the front turn signal bulb. The parking light is behind it over there, the small one, the black one over there. Yep, that's the one. So grab it, twist it left, and then you can pull it right out. Now in order to get the bulb off, you may have to wiggle the bulb and then pull it out. The bulb comes off. Get the replacement bulb. It's a 168, 194, either one of them works. Just get the replacement bulb, put the bulb inside the bulb holder, just push it in, and now we can put the bulb holder back in the headlight housing. Same process in reverse, just put it in there, slide it in. Now make sure it's sitting flush, twist it right, and then you're done. Now let's not forget to put the coolant reservoir back in its place. Again, get those 10mm screws, tighten them, and then we can move on to the driver's side one. Now similar thing on the driver's side one, we need to get that diagnostics connector out of the way. So it's a Phillips head screw over there. Get that out of the way. And now we can access the bulb holder. It's the exact same process as the passenger side one. As you can see, I'm able to get my hand in there. The space is a bit tight, so I can't really get the camera in there as well as I was in the passenger side one, but you can see it's the exact same process. Get the bulb holder out, get the bulb out, same bulb, 168 or 194. Again, 168 or 194, that's the replacement bulb type. Get the replacement bulb, put it back in the bulb holder there, just push it in, and then you can put the bulb holder back into the headlight housing, exact same way as the passenger side one. Put it in there, make sure it's sitting flush, and twist it right. And that's about it. Now we've placed both the bulbs. Let's not forget to put the diagnostics connector back in its place, tighten the screw over there, and now we can close the hood. In order to close the hood, simply lower it and slam it shut. That's pretty much it.